мною принято решение о проведении специальной военной операции.
Okay, hello. It's now 2nd of March and the war in Ukraine is taking a new step. I'm playing with the idea to start driving there. I don't have the room for taking over humans, peoples. I can't put them in my caravan. It's illegal. I was playing with that in my mind though. But I've seen a lot of people who walked 4 days straight. They didn't take their shoes off for 5 or 6 days. They didn't sleep for 3 or 4 days. No, seriously, not a single day. It's also up to -2, -5. And at the Polish border, the Polish are doing the greatest job ever. They only can do as much. There are already 200 or maybe even 240,000 refugees at the border. That's impossible for one country to. It's not only Poland though, it's also Romania, a little bit of Hungary. I don't know what Hungary is doing. And also in Belarus, but there are problems. I also read about straight at the border with Ukraine, Poland and Ukraine, at a certain point, but at most of the checkpoints, there are fights with Arabs. They're starting fights and stuff with people that try to help. But now I'm playing with the idea to not take over humans, peoples, but just go there where refugees are taking place. That I maybe gonna make there some soup outside, warm soup, so those people have at least something to eat. I take my bread machine, I'm gonna make bread as much as I can, make soup and stuff, and then yeah, all those kinds of things. Maybe we can fix something.